Ole ole, this is Hellhound Engineering Solutions bringing you a down and dirty unboxing, review, and setup of the Hygger Mini Wave Maker 1600 gallons per minute. Inside the box, you're going to find the instruction manual, a controller panel, magnets for the outside of the tank and the wave maker, this is the wave maker, a power cord, and finally an accessory pack. Only things that you have to assemble is connecting the power cable and the wave maker cables to the control panel, and then connecting the magnet to the base of the wave maker. Placing the wave maker in the tank couldn't be any easier. All you do is submerge the wave maker in the aquarium and let it attach itself to the magnet on the outside of the tank. The outside magnet will hold it in place, and if you need to adjust the location, then you can slowly move the magnet on the outside of the glass and the wave maker will follow it to its new location. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is set the time. And we're going to actually use the time mode select setting button, which is the S button. We have the move button, which is the M button. We have the feed button, which is the F button. And we have the increase button, which scrolls through the time phases 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that is the plus button. So to set the time, it's already on the time. But if I want to go to the mode, I'll press the S button. Now I'm on the mode. So to get back to the time, I press the S button again. Now I'm on time. Now I want the time to be set for 13:01, which is 1:01 p.m. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the mode button, and it's going to flash. Well, 13 is already there, so I'm going to hit it again. Hit it again. Now I'm going to use the plus button to scroll to 0. And then I'm going to do the M button again, and then I'm going to use the plus button to scroll to 1. Now it is 13:01. So now the time is set. All I have to do is press the S button now, and I go to the mode. The S button again shows me the time. Now we're going to look at the function setting for the tidal time, and you have 5 periods. So you're going to go back to the mode, press the S button, you're going to go to the M button, and you see it's flashing. Now this is the times. So at dawn is from 5:30 to 7:30, and that will be 1. Sunrise is from 7:30 to 9:30, and that will be 2. All the way down to night, which is 16:30 to 05:30. So you hit the M button again. When it starts flashing, you can scroll through the different time periods. And it goes through to 5, and then it starts over again at 1. Now we're going to adjust the power setting. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit the S, go to the mode, hit the M, 1, hit the M again. Now we're on the power setting. Now we're going to go through it, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to 1 again. 1 is at 40%, 4 is at 100%. Now we go back to the time, and it's set. Okay, now we're going to do the wave setting. Basically, you have 4 settings. 1 will be classic wave. 2 will be nutrition transfer wave. We'll have 3, which is a constant stream. And then we have 4, which is a random mode. I am going to go for a classic wave. So what I do is I go to the S button, I push it, sends me up to the mode, then I hit the M button, 1, 2, 3, and that puts me in the wave. Now I'm going to hit this till I get 1. Once I hit 1, that is classic mode. Go back to time and it's set. Now we're going to set the frequency of the wave pattern. You're going to hit the S button again to go to mode. Then you're going to do M1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can go through these 1, 2, 3, all the way to 8. And 1 is going to be the fastest frequency and 8 will be the slowest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up on 3 and then push the S button and it is set. Okay, now we have everything set up on time zone 3. So now we need to do time zone 4, 5, 1, and 2. And we'll go through the exact same process. So all you do to start is hit the M button, and then you'll hit the plus button. Now you're in 4, you go through the steps. You hit it when you finish, you go to 5, do the steps again. Finish, go to 1, do the steps again. 2, do the steps again. And then you're all done. And then you go hit the S button again, back to your time. Controller is now set up. The last thing to remember is the feed button on the control panel. When pushed, the Wave Maker will stop for 10 minutes, which is plenty of time to feed. I would recommend the Hygger Mini, also called the Eco Slim Wave Maker, 1600 gallon per hour for any aquarium build. It's simple to use and it's cost effective. Ole ole! Another down and dirty unboxing. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.